Do you have a broken sprinkler head? Before you spend a bunch of money to get it fixed, you probably can fix it yourself. Maybe your head looks like this one. Or maybe like this. Either way, let's show you how to do it step by step. It's pretty dang easy. Step 1, dig up your broken head. Okay, look at your head and find out where it's broken. Maybe the riser got snapped. Maybe you have a nipple or a fitting that is cracked near the base. Grab yourself a new head. You can get these heads. These are very common. You can get them from Home Depot for a few bucks as well. Make sure your system has this, what do you call it, funny pipe, flex pipe. Also, you're gonna wanna do a street elbow as well. This is from Home Depot, as well as the elbow. You screw these on together. This section here just simply goes into the funny pipe and your head is going to screw on this. This helps you adjust. Basically, if a car runs over or somebody steps on it, there's a lot more movement, so it's not going to crack in the future. Okay, this system already has flexible funny pipe on there, but it only has one elbow, so we're going to add this second elbow here. That way it has more movement. It's also easier to adjust and set up. So screw this on nice and tight. Then you're going to screw on your new head. An important step that a lot of people forget is that there is probably dirt and other debris in the line, so flip the sprinklers on for a couple of seconds to flush everything out. Now put your filter and your nozzle back on. Just pay attention to the letters and numbers on there. You're going to want to replace it with probably the same setup. If you're not sure which one to use, check out our page. We have all the nozzles, how to use them and understand them. Screw it on nice and tight. Check your system. Should work now. Follow us for more practical yard care tips.